Are you tired of paying high electricity bills? Want to do your part to save the planet? Installing solar panels for your Charlotte, North Carolina home might be the best solution for you. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, best thing to do is ask around with people you know and trust who have installed solar panels before. Look for warranties that are 25 years long and are from reputable companies that protect your investment for the long haul. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Investing in high quality panels might seem expensive at first, but it will save you money in the long run. Make sure the panels meet national standards and certifications to ensure they are reliable and safe. Consider the space that you'll have available and the efficiency of the panels. Don't make the mistake of buying less efficient panels that don't meet your growing power needs. Ensure the panels are mounted to your local standards and protect them from natural occurrences like tornadoes or earthquakes. Choose solar panels that are compatible with high quality inverters. Start by choosing your inverter first and then find panels that are compatible. Get multiple quotes from different suppliers and installers to find the best deals and bargains. Last thing is avoid those pushy salespeople and go with a professional company that offers guidance and information and advice, and someone who has been doing solar panel installations in Charlotte, North Carolina for many years. Now, with these tips, you're ready to take the first step in becoming the eco warrior. Being economically friendly and conscientious will save you money on your power bill. So be the power warrior. Take what you need from the solar panels and replace having to pay that utility bill. Let's go solar. So what are you waiting for? Take the next step